normal whistle all the way to the loudest whistle in the world. This thing costs 50 cents and you can kind of tell. Wow, that's surprisingly loud already. The $6 hand whistle, though, works by squeezing this pouch to force air through the whistle. Oh. Shorter and sharper. The $60 Tesla Cyber whistle feels about 10 times heavier thanks to medical-grade stainless steel. The volume is only slightly louder than the $6 one. The ref's whistle, though, is designed for professional refereeing. Apparently, the range of this thing is up to a mile. That was distinct.